Question number 10 of exercise 4.1. In question number 10, they are saying by completing a square method. Okay, so they are specific that I have to use completing a square method only. By completing a square, we have to show that we have to prove that what we have to prove. They are saying 12x minus 8 minus 3x squared. 12x minus 8 minus 3x squared is not greater than 4. Can never be greater than 4. Okay, this is the thing which I have to find. They are saying that you have to find by completing a square form. I have to show that this thing will not be greater than 4. So basically, what I have to find out the nature of the root. Okay, I will find out the nature of the curve. Okay, what is the nature of the curve? Either it is minimum or maximum. That is the first thing I'm going to find. After that, I will try to find the y-intercept of turning point, y-coordinate of turning point. First thing, I have to find that either I'm having a minimum curve or a maximum curve. Second thing, I have to find y-coordinate of the turning point. When I will have those things, then I can prove that either this thing will be greater than 4 or not. Okay, so first of all, my expression 12x minus 8 minus 3x squared. Okay, that's my expression which is given over here. I have just written it separately. Okay. So first, I'm arranging them properly. Okay, according to expression, which is my general quadratic expression. So I'm writing it minus 3x squared plus 12x minus 8. I have arranged it. Minus 3x squared, 12x minus 8. Okay. Now, in order to make it completing a square form, first thing we have to take care is that the coefficient of x squared should be positive 1, which is minus 3 over here. So what will I do? I will take minus 3 common. So when I will take minus 3 common, so minus 3x squared divided by minus 3 plus 12x divided by minus 3, and I am not doing anything with constant. Constant is written as it is. Okay. So minus and minus will be cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So I am getting minus 3. X square will be written as it is. Plus minus minus 4x minus 8. Okay. I have taken minus 3 common because I have to make coefficient of x square as positive 1, which is over here. Then from here minus 4 will remain with x and minus 8 is written outside. Now, in this one, I have to change it so I can write it in identity form. What will I do over here? Minus 3 x square minus 4x. This thing will be written as it is. X square minus 4x, x square minus 4x. After that, coefficient of x, whatever is the coefficient of x, that will be divided by 2. Coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square will be added and subtracted by your own self, because I have to make it completing square form. So I should have a square term, 2ab term, and b square term. Okay. So what I have done, coefficient of x divided by with square will be added and subtracted. Okay. That's the thing I have done over here. Now minus x square minus 4x, 4 upon 2 will be 2 square. Don't apply square right now. Don't apply square right now. Okay. First of all, we are going to enclose it in completing square form, and then we are going to apply square. Minus sign will be written as it is, 4 over 2 whole square minus 8. Right? Now I am saying that these three are basically a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A is having a square, so okay, A is having a square. B is having a square, so okay, 2 is having a square. But I am saying this is 2ab. So why would you accept okay, this is 2ab? So let me explain it. Okay, why I am saying this is equals to 2ab. Okay, I'm solving it separately over here. See, what is the first thing written over here? This is 2. So I've written 2. The value of A. A is what? The one which is having a square. So over here, which is having a square, x is having a square. So in bracket I have written x. Then what is this? B. B is the other one which is having a square. Though the other one which is having a square is 2. When I will simplify, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 4, 2 to the 4, and 4 into x will be 4x. So see, I have plotted value in 2ab, but when I have simplified it, it is coming 4x, which is this value. It means that this is my a square, this is my 2ab, and this is my b square term till now. Now, this thing is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square. Okay, so it means that if a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square, and I'm saying these three are representing this one, so what will I do? A square will become a, so x square will become x. Minus sign in the formula, minus sign in the formula. The other one, b square, is now written as b. So 2 square will be written as 2, and square will be written outside the bracket. Just like this, I have enclosed a square minus 2ab plus b square in this form. After that, now this is left. Minus 2 whole square will become minus 4 minus 8. Simplifying it further, I can't do anything inside the bracket, so I'm multiplying minus 3 inside the bracket. So this will become minus 3 x minus 2 whole square. This bracket has a square, so I can't apply minus 3 inside. I will leave it over here. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will be plus 12 minus 8. After this, minus 3 x minus 2 whole square plus 4. Okay. Comparing this thing with completing square form. What is that? kx minus h whole square plus k. Okay, I am going to compare this thing with basic form of completing a square method. So first thing, outside the bracket, this is a. Outside the bracket, this is minus 3. And minus 3 is lesser than 0. It means I will have maximum turning point. I will have maximum turning point. Okay. Now, I don't need h right now because they are not saying that find the maximum or minimum value and find its corresponding value. They are not saying that. So I don't need h right now. If you are writing it, it is totally okay, but you don't need it. Okay. Outside the bracket, it is written plus k. So k, and over here outside the bracket, it is written 4. So they are saying that we are going to have a maximum turning point. We are going to have a maximum turning point. And what will be the maximum value of turning point? K equals to 4. The maximum value of the turning point is k equals to. It means there will be no value greater than 4. 4 is the maximum value for this curve. Okay. So what we were supposed to show? We were supposed to show that this thing will not be greater than 4. So find the turning point is maximum and k represent y-intercept of the turning point. Okay. So if I draw the curve, for instance, I'm drawing my curve over here. So what will I have? For instance, okay, so I'm going to have something like this. This is the turning point. X coordinate I haven't found, so I'm not writing it over here. Y coordinate I have found, which is coming 4. So see, curve is going. Reaching at the top is 4, and then it is coming back. It means this curve will not cross 4 and it will never go higher. Okay, so that is proof that this curve highest value will not be greater than 4.